Welcome back. I am going to teach you dominant seventh. When I'm talking about your dominant seventh, all you need to do is to flatten the seventh degree of your major scale. Alright? Now, all you're going to do there is to play Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Do, Do. That gives you your dominant seventh scale. Alright? So you have it out. Instead of me to play T now, I'm gonna be playing what? Do. Alright? That is what? Your dominant seventh. So I'm not gonna have T. All I'm gonna have now is Do. Do is now replacing T on my major scale, and that will give me what? Dominant seventh. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Do, right? That is your dominant seventh. And if you want to work out your permutations again, still on this dominant seventh, whenever you get to T, just replace it with your Do. Alright? Your dominant seventh permutations in 3, you have Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Sol, La, Do. Alright? Like this now. Alright? Can you hear that? Do, 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 so that's faster for me, do. Alright? That is that. That is your what? Your groupings in 3s. And of course you can do your groupings in 2 by playing Do, Mi, Re, Fa, Mi, Sol, Fa, La, Sol, Do. Instead of Sol, T now you're going to be playing what? Sol, Do, La, Do. Alright? Alright? And to descend you play Do, La, Do, Sol. In that order, and at the same time you can work out a movement in 2s, alright, by playing okay, in 4s as well. You can do alright. Everywhere you know T to be before, you'll not be replacing them with Do, alright. Alright, that is how to work out your permutations also in dominant seventh. Thank you for watching.